Hey, I'm Patty Hoyt. I am here to talk to you today about using essential oils in one certain way, which is aromatically. That's what we're talking about today. Using essential oils aromatically is all at once extremely simple and really fascinatingly complicated. It's simple, really simple to do. So if you open a bottle of essential oil and smell it, you are using that essential oil aromatically. That's all there is to it. You can also use a diffuser that's made for diffusing essential oils into the air, and I'm going to show you how simple it is to use a diffuser.
All right, I have the doTERRA Petal Diffuser, and pretty simple. We're just going to take the top right off and pour in some water, just some tap water, and you can fill it up to that red dot. I'm going to put in right now some On Guard. Put in 4 of that, and just because I really like it, I'm going to put in 3 drops of Wild Orange, and I'm good to go. So I'm just going to replace the top, and I'm going to press once. With this diffuser, once is 2 hours, twice is 4 hours, and then if I press it again, it'll be 1 hour. I always tend to set it just to 4 hours. And then the light is optional. You can just turn it off. I usually turn it off because I'm not using it as a night light or anything. And there it goes. It is spewing out beautiful, delicious scents into the air, and the On Guard is purifying the air as well as the Wild Orange, and they smell wonderful.
It's a really fun world to explore, and it's a really fascinating world to start to even understand, because the olfactory system, when we're taking in these scents through our nose, it's not just a nice smell, it's a whole bunch of concentrated chemical compounds that are natural and completely from plants. And I am talking about using certified pure therapeutic grade oils. We use doTERRA oils because we trust completely that they are what it says on the bottle and nothing else. Parenthetically, you could go to source2u.com if you want to research more about the sourcing and quality of doTERRA essential oils. Fascinatingly, scent is the only one of our senses that communicates directly to our limbic system through the olfactory bulb. So those oils are going right in and communicating directly to part of your brain, the limbic system. And the limbic system, as you may or may not know, regulates emotions, learning, memory, and stores traumatic memories. So much of our experience of daily, like the day-to-day experience of life, is being affected by what's going on in that limbic system. And we have right in our palm something that can communicate to the limbic system, that can be calming or can be energizing or can be helping us to release traumatic memories that we're storing. So that's when it gets really complicated and really, really cool and empowering, because we can do something very simple to help ourselves in our daily experience of life. And I'm excited about it, and I love it myself. I've benefited so much, and I invite you to check it out if you haven't, because it's so fun and so easy to do. I hope you have a wonderful day, and we'll talk to you soon.